engineering. Subscribe this channel to explore engineering knowledge. In today's session, we are going to see how we are going to find out the eigenvalues of 3 by 3 matrix. In earlier part, we have seen the eigenvalues of 2 by 2 matrix. If you miss, you can check the description box. So the detailed explanation to find out the eigenvalues of 3 by 3 matrix that we are going to see in this session. We have prepared some lectures regarding this series mathematics. The link is available in description box. You can check it, where the videos are regarding finding out the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, then eigenvalues of 2 by 2 matrix, some shortcut tricks to find out the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix, then eigenvalues of matrix that is there. You can check, link is available in description box. Now in this session we are going to find out the eigenvalues of this matrix, which is a 3 by 3 matrix which having 3 rows and 3 columns. So first we'll find out the characteristic matrix. So this characteristics matrix we are getting A minus lambda I. Okay, so A is what? The given matrix. Lambda is a constant and I is a identity matrix. So characteristic equation we can get 1 0 0. So A, which is a given matrix, 2 3 1 0 2 4 minus lambda into identity matrix. So we can write down 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this matrix we can write down here 1 0 0 2 3 1 0 2 4. So lambda we are going to multiply with this identity matrix. So lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda. So now we can write down this matrix like this: 1 minus lambda 0 0, then 2 3 minus lambda 1 0 2 4 minus lambda. So diagonally we are getting. So this is our characteristic matrix. So if you take the determinant of this characteristic matrix, then we are getting polynomial matrix like this: 0 0 2 3 minus lambda 1, then 0 2 4 minus lambda. So determinant we are getting polynomial matrix, and this determinant if you take with the 0, like determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0, so this will be our characteristic matrix. So by using this characteristic matrix we can find out the eigenvalues. So we are taking the determinant. So determinant first plus 1 minus lambda. So we are hiding first row, first column. So we are getting multiplication of these two: 3 minus lambda into 4 minus lambda minus 2 into 1, that is 2. Then minus 0 as this. So hiding this row and this column. So we are getting 0 multiplication. So this will be 0 plus 0. So all the values will be 0 because we are multiplying with a 0. So we will concentrate on this only. So 1 minus lambda, simplifying this bracket. So 3 into 4, that is 12, minus 3 into lambda, minus 3 lambda, then minus lambda into 4, minus 4 lambda, minus lambda into minus lambda, lambda square plus lambda square minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 1 minus lambda. So this equation we can write down lambda square minus 3 minus lambda minus 4 minus lambda 7 lambda 12 minus 2, that is plus 10, is equal to 0. So we can again simplify this minus 7 lambda like this: 1 minus lambda square minus 2 lambda minus 5 lambda plus 10 is equal to 0. So now in this equation we can get the common things. So in this 2 first we are getting lambda common, so lambda minus 2, and from this minus 5 lambda and plus 10 we are getting minus 5 as constant, so lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. So here we are getting 1 minus lambda, lambda minus 2 and lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. So lambda value we are getting 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2 and 5. These are nothing but the eigenvalues of given matrix. Eigenvalues of given matrix A. So first we have to find out the characteristic matrix to find out the eigenvalues, then polynomial matrix, then characteristic equation to get the eigenvalues of any matrix. So hope you like this video. If you like it, stay connected and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.